Shenbai SQ35Z 35-down 7-section folding arm crane integrates many first-class hydraulic systems at home and abroad. The crane meets CE certification standards, and its working performance and technical specifications are at a leading domestic level. When you choose Shenba European version crane,
you will be pleasantly surprised to find that whether it is the three-dimensionally designed HG780 high-strength steel body structure, Chinese top hydraulic cylinders, high-pressure plunger pumps, or the American AMAC electro-hydraulic proportional valves, and Italian balancing valves, even the Swedish Scanric remote control and German imported paint, they will all be condensed into this high-performance and excellent crane. 360-degree unlimited rotation, manual and remote control operation of the crane will help you complete the lifting work efficiently in a relaxed and comfortable manner.